Welcome to Aquatics Live YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and all that jazz. But anyway, so I got a quick little video I wanted to share with you guys, and this is to make a small video to put in the corner of your YouTube video of a speedometer, that kind of like for you guys out there that are riding the motorized bikes and scooters and stuff. It'd be kind of fun to put the speedometer in there. Normally what I've been doing anyway is I just try to I have a phone with the speedometer on it, and I try to put it in the video so you can see it. It's kind of a pain, so I've been trying to figure out another way to do this, and I hurt my knee and stuff, so it's kind of time to tinker around, figure out something that'll work for me. So figured I'd share with you. I found some information on a guy out there on the web. I modified it a bit, and it's using just easy stuff that other people can do. It's slightly slightly technical, but it's probably a little less technical than some of the other options out there or paid things. I know there's overlays and things that you can get set up, especially for action cameras. Some of them have some paid products and things that you can add on. This is probably not the best way to do it, but here, let me show you what I kind of figured out. Maybe it'll help somebody else. So going over to the browser, this is the speedometer itself. I'm just refreshing it right here so you can see, starting off at 0. This is kilometers an hour. This all can be modified. I just set it up for 0 to 70. There's a lot of folks that are using kilometers an hour and stuff, so a lot of the Japanese scooters and things and gauges and stuff that folks have, they'll be in kilometers an hour. So I kind of went with that. I thought it was kind of cool. So behind this is just a file I put up on my site. So you can just download this file straight from my site. I'll put it in the description. So we're going to do the view source here, and right click, view page source. This is it's HTML. It's kind of crazy here, but it's not too bad. So just get over the part that it's kind of might be confusing or something for others. But once you get in there, it's not too bad to mess with. Essentially, you're keeping this top area here, and you're going to paste in your GPS coordinates into the middle here. So this is the let me go over to this, the guy that came up with it, or I'll show you on here, is it's neilillusion.co.uk, and this is the resources area for his site there. And the way I'm getting the GPS data, it's a GPS logger. I'll show you that over here, and it's just an app. This is the Android one. There's also an iOS version. What you're hunting for is GPX. It generates a GPX file. So once you're done, it kind of works like you just start it up like you're recording your ride. This is recording your ride in the GPX area, and once you get done, once you get home, then you're gonna download that file. So that's it, and so we're gonna go over to go back here. So bear with me, I'm not an expert at the screen sharing and all that. So to turn that off, turn off Edge, and we'll turn on. There we go. All right, so this is I'm just showing you the text editor. It's I'm using Visual Studio for this just so it's easier to kind of see for you guys. You can use any like notepad or whatever you're gonna do for if you want to edit text file. It's just an HTML file, which is if you right click and you open it as a text, you can open it up. So in here, we're just gonna replace a big chunk of this, and this is the file that you get off of the GPS device, off your phone, off that phone app. We'll just hit Control A. We're copying everything here, Control C, and we're gonna paste it into the file, and it goes right after this chunk here. Is the script start. Make sure you paste it after this. I had pasted it right over the top of that. So we're gonna redo this. Sorry, but I kind of screwed it up the first time. But here's the end of the GPX ending, and now we didn't and this one has IntelliSense, so I noticed that problem. But if it screws up on you, just start fresh and make sure you're pasting it in the right spot. So once you get that in there, now you're gonna want to record it, right? You gotta have the video going someplace. So you get this all saved in here. You can open the HTML file that you have downloaded, open it into a web browser that you just editing. Open the one that you just finished editing in a web browser, and it'll be like this. So now what you're gonna want to do though is you're gonna have to hold on, it'll be like, let me turn it off, and it'll be like the gauge in here, right? Now what we need to do is we have to capture this. I'm using Edge right here. It's just a screen recorder. You could use OBS, which is what I'm doing to make this video. So whatever way you want to record it, there's multiple little extensions and things. So in here, I'm going to show you the screen recorder. I had already did one. Going to make another recording. I'm going to do the record desktop. I'm going to pick my source, which is the speedometer. I'm going to click share, and now it's sharing. Now you're going to want to refresh the speedometer so it starts off at 0. When your ride started. Now it's recording. It's real time. You're gonna say your ride's like a half an hour. Just let it record. Come back, set your alarm or something, and stop the recording. Once you have that recording stopped, and we stop the recording, now you're gonna you can download that file, and it's an MKV. What you'll do then is you can just grab that file, put it into your normal editing, like Clipchamp or CapCut or something like whatever you're using to edit your videos. So you can put it into the corner of the video. That's pretty much it. I hope this helps other folks out there. Just gonna let this go, and hopefully it helps somebody anyway. I don't know what I'm doing yet, and so we'll see how it goes for me too. But I just wanted to share what I had figured out so far. Thanks, guys.